A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our social studies class. And as you remember, in the last class, we were studying chapter number 8, the land of sand. Now, before starting the new topic, let us do a quick recap. We studied about oasis. Now, what is oasis? An oasis is an area made fertile by a source of fresh water in an otherwise dry and arid region. Oasis, more than one oasis. See, in this what they have said, if there is more than one oasis, the spelling will be O-A-S-E-S. If there is only one, singular O-A-S-I-S. So, oases are irrigated by natural springs or other underground water sources. They vary in size from a cluster of date palms around a well or a spring to a city and irrigated cropland. So, all this we had studied already in the last class. Then we studied about the climate of Saudi Arabia. Okay, so how is the climate? It is extremely hot. It is extremely hot climate and the temperature sometimes reaches to 52 degrees Celsius. Then the summer season is from May to September. During the daytime, it is very hot and dry climate, but during the night time, it is cool. Then we discussed that the winter season is from October to April. Okay, and the rainfall is very scanty over there. So, this is a desert area as we know, and this is why they receive very less rainfall. So, this was the topic that we had discussed. Now, moving on to the next topic, that is your plant life. So, now we'll study about the plant life in Saudi Arabia. Let's start. In Saudi Arabia, only plants that can live and survive the heat and water shortage can grow. So what they are saying that only those plants which require less water can grow well. See, we know that rose plant or cotton plant or the fields of wheat, so all these they require proper amount of water, they require heat also. So what they are saying that in the desert areas and in places like Saudi Arabia, all such kinds of plants cannot survive. Only those plants which require less water can survive. Most of the plants have long roots that go deep into the ground in search of water. See, as the water shortage is there over there, so what they are saying that most of the plants in the desert areas, they are deep rooted. वो बहुत अंदर तक rooted होते हैं so that they can get more and more water. As already we know, they receive less rainfall or scanty rainfall. So, these kind of plants, they survive with less water also. We can say that nature has made it in that way. So, for example, you can see cactus plants. Okay, so they are also very deep rooted and they can grow very well in shortage of water and they can survive the extreme heat. Now see, all the plants, the pulses and the wheat and all that we grow, they all cannot survive the extremely hot weather. Okay, they may burn or they can get properly, they may not grow properly. So such kind of plants only can grow in the desert areas of Saudi Arabia. Is it clear? Okay, so let's move on. So as we were discussing that various types of cacti grow here. Okay, cacti have thorns instead of leaves. They are talking about the cactus plant and what do they have? They have thorns. They have pointed thorns that we cannot touch. If we'll touch them, what will happen? We'll get hurt. So instead of leaves, what they have? They have thorns. Okay, so that there is less loss of water through evaporation. Now, date palms are found in oases. In oases, which plants are found? Date palms. Okay, please underline. In big towns, date palm plantations are found. In big towns and big cities, what they do? They make sure that the date palms grow very well. These date palms also, they require less water to grow. Okay. Now, in addition, fruits, vegetables and crops like wheat, barley, cotton, rice, tobacco and ragi are grown around the oasis. So these kind of plants, that is the fruits and the vegetable and the crops, they cannot grow in the desert area, but they can grow in oasis. Why? Because there they get sufficient amount of water. Now see, oasis can be natural also, it can be man-made also. That depends. It depends on the place. Now see, if you take example of Dubai, so there are many places over there that you'll find such small oases. So they are generally man-made. Is it clear? So in Saudi Arabia, there are many places that have this man-made oasis. Is it clear? This was the plant life. Okay, children? So maybe we should stop over here. Okay? So in the next class, we will continue the topic that is from animal life. The animal life of Saudi Arabia. Now for your homework, try to find out more information about the plant life and the plants that can survive in the Saudi Arabia. Is it clear? Please write it in your SST notebook and we will discuss it in the life class. Okay? So this is it for now. We will meet in the next class. Till that, goodbye all of you. May God bless you.